this video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your slide in case it's not going out all the way or if it's going out too far. It's a very simple fix. This is for the type of slide that has a hydraulic piston underneath, and I'll show you what that looks like. But it's very easy. All you need, of course, you need to have your large crescent wrench, which I'm sure everybody has one of these in their RV. So if but if you don't have one, get yourself a large crescent wrench. This is a 12-inch crescent, and it looks like the size of the bolt is, you're probably not going to have a 1-inch wrench in your box, but this will work just fine. This video is going to be about the 370 FB, not about Stella. Sorry, Stella. All right, so we have an issue where our slide is tight at the top, obviously, but down near the bottom, I don't know if you can see that. There's a bit of a gap at the bottom, and it's flush at the top, okay? The other thing we noticed was this flap right here wasn't quite all the way down, and you can see right here, it's not quite in that trough. It should be just inside that little, its little home there. So there's a bit of a gap here. It just needs to be adjusted maybe a 1/2 inch. You can see right, wish the lighting was a little better, but that right there needs to be a little bit farther in. It's just providing a little, if you can see this, it's not quite flush. On this side, it is completely flush. It's right across the top, looks great. See how much farther that's down in there? That side's good. This side is not. So it's an easy fix. The dealership should have caught this, but I'll show you how to fix it pretty easily. So you're going to take it in just slightly, just about that much, okay? All right, so now I'm going to be going under here. This is the nut that I was talking about. See how on this one, that lock nut, this is the nut that's supposed to be up against this to stop it from moving. But this is probably why this one happened. It's because this moved and it wasn't pushing it all the way out. So I'm assuming that's why. It's getting there. So I'm doing a little bit at a time just to make sure I'm not doing it too far. All right, so the rule of thumb is if this bolt is moving in this direction, you're gonna be pushing the slide out farther. So if your slide is pushing out too far and you notice then you'll have to move it in this direction so it won't push it out as far. Also, if this should not be loose, this is a locking nut on the end here, and it should be at least onto the locking part. This is very frustrating. Anyway, so yes, if you're going to move your slide out farther, if it has to get moved out farther, you're going to take this nut, unlock this if it has a locking nut already up against it, and you're going to spin it this direction until it moves in this direction. And then just ensure that be nice to have 2 wrenches to get this nice and tight, because then this won't move at all. So that should be enough. Let's go check it out. Nice and flush. Yes, much better. See how much of a difference this was before. And I'm assuming that that was just because the lock nut was not on there to keep the inside nut from spinning and not being able to push it out of the way. But as you can see, the slide is now nice and level. It's perfect. Much better. Before this this table was probably at a 15-degree slope. So, but as you can see, the gap back here is tight down here, and of course there's going to be a tight at the top. So there you go. If you have any questions or any comments, please let me know. All right, so if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so that when I drop a new video, you'll get alerted by it. Give me a comment below if you've tried this or if you need this done to your RV as well. And if you have any questions at all, the people over at Lions are amazing, helpful. I just downloaded the owner's manual, which I didn't get at the RV center, which I thought was kind of strange, but at least we have an online version of it just to cover all bases. So thanks for joining. We'll see you next time.